Hello friends, welcome to Smigdha's Kingdom. Today I am going to prepare shakshuka. It's quite popular dish in Israel and it's a delicious combination of eggs, tomatoes and spices quite popular in the Middle East and North Africa. So basically shakshuka is a dish where eggs are poached in the tomato puree or the sauce of tomato with lots of onion, garlic and sprinkled and seasoned with paprika, nutmeg, etc. So I will quickly show you how to make the dish with all the available ingredients in my kitchen. Okay, so let's begin. So I will show you the main ingredients of the dish. Here I am using roughly chopped onions. I have taken 2 medium sized onions, 1 roughly chopped capsicum, tomatoes, and here I have taken 5 medium sized tomatoes, 4 green chilies. I have taken here 2 boiled potatoes. And next in spices I am going to use oregano for seasoning, hot chili flakes, black pepper powder, coriander leaves, and the main spice which is the cumin powder which I am going to use, and sugar to balance the sour taste of the sauce, and 4 eggs. So friends, first I will begin with making puree of the tomatoes. So I will put it in the container. So I put all the tomatoes and the green chilies, and I will make a good puree out of it. So my puree is ready. You can sieve the puree, but I am going to use it with the seed. So friends, I have on the gas and I have taken a non-stick karai and 2 tablespoons of oil into it, and first I will shallow fry the boiled potatoes and take them out. The oil is ready now, hot. Now I will put the boiled potatoes. And I will stir it slowly because it's already cooked and boiled. So I'll fry it for some time. So I have taken out the potatoes in a plate aside. So little more oil I have taken in the pan, and now I will give all the vegetables. And stir it till it turns translucent. Friends, next I am going to use the ginger garlic paste, little amount. You can also use the raw garlic and ginger in this dish, but I am going to use the paste. So friends, my onions have turned translucent, and now I will add the puree at this stage. So friends, I have poured all the puree and I will simmer it in low flame for 10 minutes till it becomes thick and all the watery portions get absorbed and make a dense mix. So friends, while the puree is getting shimmered, I'll be adding the spices. So I am adding oregano, the chili flakes, I'll give it a quick stir. The main ingredient, that is the cumin powder. Next I'll be adding some sugar, little amount, to balance the sour taste of the sauce. And some salt. And I will cook it till it becomes dense. So friends, it has been 10 minutes. I have been shimmering the sauce, and now I will add the boiled potatoes. I will put all the potatoes slowly. And now I am going to add the eggs. So to add the eggs, I'll make some space here, and I will pour the eggs here. I have taken out the egg in this bowl, and I will slowly put in the space. And similar way, I'll add all the eggs. So friends, now I will add all the coriander leaves. And the black pepper powder. And allow the eggs to cook properly. So friends, the dish is ready now. So guys, if you like my recipes, cooking, don't forget to subscribe, share and like my videos, and have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.